So yeah, you have concept, task, and reference. So let's try to create more of that. So this topic is of type concept, getting started with energy saver. Okay, it created, and as you can see, the root element is concept, right? This is the structuring part of it. So when somebody creates a topic of type concept, there is a predefined template. It has concept, title, short description. These are common elements, and then there is a concept body, and inside a p tag, right? We can add more. We'll add sections and other things, but this is one. Before I get into content, let's create another one, teacher topic of, let's say, task, right? There is one task using energy saver. Okay, this is, as you can see, the icons are different. This is general topic, this is of concept, this is of type task, and let's create one more topic of type troubleshooting, right? So that would be troubleshooting energy saver. Okay, so we created 4 different ones. Um, and in the troubleshooting, as you can see, the root element is troubleshooting. It has a predefined template, right? If you preview, it says troubleshooting energy saver. There is a condition, and there is a cause, and then there is a remedy, right? Remedy could be multiple steps. So this is a predefined template that allows content writers to follow a structure, right? Whenever there is a troubleshooting article, they know there needs to be a condition, there needs to be a cause, and how you can troubleshoot and fix that issue. Whereas with the task, you just have a series of steps, right? You're saying this is the task. How do you use energy saver? And then there is title, task body, and context, and then some steps. We'll fill those details, right? There are step 1, step 2, and within each step there is command, like what the user needs to do to perform that task. Okay, and then this is concept, like as a concept, how do you explain the energy saver? How do you get started with energy saver, right? So let's do this one first. Are you guys with me so far? Good. Okay, so the first one, title. When we created it, the title is already there, right? We give the title and short description. Let's say this task, um like this is not a task, like this topic, right? This topic provides an introduction to getting started with energy saver, right? And then we get into the concept body. um Let me add, we did not use section, so let me add a section. I think I'm inside con body, right? Not inside p. Oh, okay. So now it allowed section, right? So that's why we need the tags. I deleted the p, then now it allows me to add section. Under section, let me add a title. A section can have a title, right? Let's say overview. And then we can add a p. Let me write something. Energy saver is a powerful tool designed to help you monitor and reduce energy consumption, right? This guide will walk you through the initial steps to get started with Energy Saver, right? So you have a section and the title. So far, let's preview how it looks. And you can see the source as well, straightforward. And then each section, when you add a section, you have an ID, right? That's the benefit. You can add IDs to anything, but as a section, you have a title and description to it, content to it. If you want, you can use this from this topic, refer to this section as a cross link. We'll cover that as well. How do you refer to an individual part of it, um, which is still part of the source topic? So preview. So this is how it looks. And let me go back. So we have the first section, overview, and then let me add one more section. Add section. See, system requirements. Oh, let me add a title. System requirements, right? Now, what do you need? Before you begin, make sure your system meets the following requirements, right? And then we tried inserting paragraph. Let's do a numbered list now, right? Uh, okay, a numbered list, ordered list. It needs operating system, Windows 10 or Mac OS 10.15 or higher. Let me add one more, right? Minimum RAM 4 GB. And let's say a good internet connection. These are the three basic requirements for you to get started with Energy Saver. So let me add one more last section. So you have some content, right? So as usual, we'll add title and say installation, right? To get started with it, you need installation. Now let me add an unordered list, right? Download the Energy Saver installation file from our downloads page. Now open the downloaded file and follow on screen instructions. Once the installation is done, launch the Energy Saver application. Okay, so you have a structure. It's of type concept. Within concept, you have con body, and then section. Under section, we try to use paragraphs, ordered list, unordered list, right? Now, let me see how it looks. This is how it looks. Individual topic. Let me go back. Let's say this is our first section, right? If you see it has section 1 as the ID, let's change this to a meaningful one, right? Energy Saver overview. We'll use it later. And then for this one, for this section, Energy Saver sys requirements. Right, last one. Select the section, the whole section. It has an ID. Energy Saver installation. Right, done. So we have 3 sections within the concept, and all of them, each section has a title and a body to it, uh, content to it, and then each section has an ID, right? Now, let me save a version. Let's say uh, first draft is the label, created initial draft, right? So far, were you able to create this?